How to start a rooftop garden in 7 steps. Dear friends, you can transform a flat, tar roof into a lovely outdoor haven with container plantings. A well-planned rooftop garden can also provide habitat for local wildlife and mitigate stormwater runoff. Here's what you need to know to start one of your own. 1. Check your building codes. Before you buy any plants, check with your local building codes to ensure that you're allowed to plant on the roof. If you're in an apartment or condo, check with the Building Owners Association to see if they'll permit plants in the shared space. If you're in a house, check with the Homeowners Association or look into local building codes to see if there are any restrictions on height or aesthetics. 2. Select your plants. When selecting plants for your rooftop garden, consider the weather conditions of your roof and choose your plants accordingly. If your roof is in full sun or painted black, choose sun and heat-loving plants. If your roof has few wind blocks, choose low-to-the-ground plants and use bottom-heavy planters. 3. Choose or build containers. Rooftop gardens are endlessly customizable. For planters, you can plant in simple 5-gallon buckets, with drainage holes, or DIY custom raised beds for a more polished look. Whatever you choose to plant in, ensure the container has adequate drainage to avoid your plant's roots sitting in water or soggy soil, which can lead to root rot. Consider the weight limits of the roof, as plastic or wooden containers will be lighter than concrete or stone. 4. Set up wind blocks. If your area gets lots of wind, you may want to set up windbreaks around your plants to prevent them from getting blown over on your roof. A trellis or a perimeter wall will help block heavy gusts and anchor your plants in the soil. 5. Prepare the soil. Since rooftop gardens have no access to ground soil, you'll need to purchase soil and bring it up to your rooftop containers. Most plants thrive in well-draining soil rich in organic matter, like potting soil amended with organic compost. 6. Plant your selections. Once you prepare your containers, dig holes in your containers and plant your chosen plants. Water thoroughly afterward to settle the soil and anchor the plants. 7. Water the plants as necessary. The simplest way to water a rooftop garden is with a watering can. However, for larger rooftop gardens or to avoid climbing the stairs every morning with a watering can, you can set up more extensive watering systems. A popular option is setting up a rain barrel or cistern to catch rainwater in a watering can. You can also set up a drip system connected to a roof-level water spigot. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.